Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to change the appearance of a folder in your computer. If you are not comfortable with the appearance of your folder, then this will help you a lot. The first thing you need to do is to create a folder and name it how you want. You can even select an existing folder because all of this will work. Having created the folder, you are going to click on the right cursor button to see a list of many things that can be executed on the folder. Next you will have to locate where it's written properties, since it's where its appearance should be located. Locate where it's written customize and click on it. Now search where it's written change icon and click on it. Once you click on it, you should be able to see different types of icons that can be applied to the folder you selected. Pick on icon and then click on OK. Click on apply, and after that you are going to click on OK. Return to where your folder is located. Your icon should have changed. If it hasn't changed, then press on the right click button and click on refresh to see immediately your changes. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.